everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix reset algorithm option not showing on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your Instagram account reset algorithm option not showing, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is you just need to open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. Tap on this Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, check whether that reset algorithm option showing or not. After doing this, still it's not showing, then try the second method. Just open your Instagram app. Tap on this profile icon. After that, in top right side corner, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Scroll down. In this, you can see suggested content. Tap on that. You have to take screenshot of this. After that, then go back. Scroll down. Here you will find help option. Tap on that. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem. Just tap on include and continue. Upload the screenshot. After uploading the screenshot, you have to type some of the matter. What you can see on the screen is, hi Instagram team, reset algorithm option not showing in my Instagram account. So please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this matter, just tap on send button. After that, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix reset algorithm option not showing on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.